Hey guys, today we're gonna be designing a clip for my tool shelf. The dimensions of my shelf is 16.5 by 800 millimeters. And knowing that my printer can only print 210 millimeters in length, I'll be printing this in 4 parts so that I could have a whole set of prints running across the length of my board. I don't have any specific designs yet since we're just winging this, but as far as I know, I want this to have some inserts for my tools and some hooks. So with the design complete, we're off to printing. I'm gonna be using an Affinibot E9 using eSun ABS Plus Fire Engine Red as my filament of choice, and the nozzle temperature is 250 degrees Celsius and the bed temperature is 105 degrees Celsius. I'll be posting a link to the clip down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe.